Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver some soul vibrational messages. Today I'll be using tarot and also pendulum to check on your general energetic system called chakras, also known as auras or energy points in your body. So with that said, I would also like to remind you that this reading is general and that I've pre-shuffled and meditated on your energy, Scorpio, primarily focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. I hope that this message resonates. With that said, please like, subscribe, add me to your list. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Okay, off the bat, I see a lot of yellow, so beautiful. A lot of energy, creativity with the blue, blend of blue. Definitely. So pages are messengers, are youthful energies. It's like us, like learning something new or learning to see things in a different perspective. In this particular case is a pentacles. Pentacles represents our body, our material needs, our finances. So it's like learning how to really like bring in that into play, how to be more free from a place of love too, because Knight's always in pursuit of, and this particular one is in pursuit of emotional stability. I feel I'm picking up on definitely confidence, and it's like inviting new beginnings for sure. And so is the Fool. The Fool is really much inviting new beginnings, but it's letting you know that you are being watched over, like you are granted new beginnings in a sense, but with like protection from source, from a higher than you kind of energy, and it's going to send it to you in different forms, but it needs you to understand this energy too. Page of Pentacles is youthful person. It's willing to work hard. It's an apprentice with new ideas, new creativities, like whether it comes to your finances, like I said, or your body. But it's definitely, I'm getting a lot of like new beginning, opportunity, potential kind of vibe for you, Scorpio. But I keep referring to the Knight of Cups. It wants you to go through life right now with good emotional intents, with feelings and emotions of positiveness, of growth, of like energy of wanting to create something for yourself. Creativity, I keep hearing the word creativity. So know that whatever you're doing, if it comes to creative matters, see it as like new beginnings. Have that humbleness, but at the same time that desire, and keep on with that energy, like everything's gonna be okay, like this feels good. Trust your intuition. Definitely, if it doesn't feel good, it's not your truth, it's not for you. So definitely trust that you are very much heading forward with balancing your waters. You're definitely in pursuit of that, and you're bringing in a lot of good new energy for you, Scorpio. So I hope that this message resonates, that it keeps pushing you forward with whatever you desire. It's definitely sending you the best of vibes with that. With that said, let's focus on your energy points, on your chakras. Where should you give a little bit more light, more understanding to? Your energetic system. Okay, is it both base and crown chakra? Yes, okay. Yeah, I felt the pull a lot to this one. I wanted so it's definitely speaking to two of your chakras or two of your, again, energy points, and it is basing on your base chakra or your root chakra and your crown chakra. I always find that the heart is supposed to filter to both your physical and the spiritual side of you. So there is like the two elements, right? And so when it comes to your physical, it is asking you to have more connection to earth. It's saying grounding, stability, balance, trust. It's your physical health, your nourishment, your strength. It speaks to what is your family, your roots, your security, what makes you feel secure for sure, survival and prosperity. And when it comes to your crown, it's your connection to the universe. It's your spirituality, your awareness, your consciousness, your wisdom, your meaning, your inner joy, what brings you peace, your wholeness. So try to nourish those two energies, Scorpio, in order for you to continue on your path of new beginnings, of understanding. I think that when you bring in balance of those, you'll definitely be on the right path. And you'll be protected and you'll be watched over, and your new beginnings will definitely, or even if it's new beginnings or it's like this energy of new beginnings wanting to come in, and if it is your turn to like just shed energies, make sure that you shed them with this kind of traits, or energies. Connect yourself more to earth. Wear a lot of these colors, reds and purples, and eat those colors like fruits and vegetables. Meditate on these colors. Definitely continue on your path, and everything that you do it from a place of love and humbleness, and always deliver positive energy to your own self for sure. I hope that this resonates, Scorpio. Thank you so much for being here. I hope to see you soon. Okay, ciao.